that's a night that will live long in the memory. How was that for you?
Yeah, so enjoyable. I think just from the start, I felt like there was a real confident feeling within the team and the whole squad. And yeah, we're just excited to get out there, being back at home. And yeah, quite a big game, because at the end of the day, we wanted to win the game. We needed to win the game to give ourselves the best chance of getting a home draw. And yeah, it was unbelievable throughout the whole 90 minutes. I really enjoyed it.
1978 was the last time Wales scored 7 goals. You got one of them. Have you been waiting for a moment like that for Wales?
Yeah, I think so. I think, listen, I absolutely love playing for Wales. I find it hard. It's a tough thing coming to play for Wales, because how much it means to me. And yeah, I think it's a different style of football, and yeah, it's an honour to represent it. But today, and playing in a game like that, and obviously scoring and helping the team get into the Group 2 and the playoffs, I think, yeah, it was a perfect night for me, and one that I've been waiting for.